By and large, couple of organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that in a real sense present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning quick exchanges, killing the intricacies associated with the kind of decentralized environment. Before we essentially dive into the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, let us in a real sense view a portion of the in every way that really matters, special highlights of Bitcoin SV, which is very critical. Bitcoin Money generally is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point onward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It explicitly was made to in every way that really matters, re-establish the first Satoshi convention, in a real sense keep it stable, and scale greatly in an unpretentious way. As a credulous participant in 2018, not very many individuals knew about Bitcoin SV and were a tiny uncertain in exchanging BSV, in spite of mainstream thinking. A critical benefit truly is that you can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to an exceptional expansion in the quantity of excavators, which is genuinely huge, upheld by a vigorous and high data transmission public blockchain stage. Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a very half-and-half agreement instrument. A special component by and large is that it can trap fake or false exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is fit for following the first block in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the especially whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which truly is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange amazingly. A striking commonly trademark that hangs out in this convention in every practical sense is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization in a truly significant manner. This detectable quality makes it really remarkable contrasted with other Ethereum-based extremely decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads incredibly. The increases from the Bitcoin establishment additionally present to BSV the local area benefit. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets unselfish commitments and a flourishing number of individuals in a by and large significant manner. The Bitcoin SV designers additionally generally have for the most part progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that sort of advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When supported, the engineer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The stage additionally includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with for the most part understanding the functionalities better. BSV as a for the most part token really has been making genuinely dynamic developments in the digital currency market incredibly. Recorded on most of trades, the in every way that really matters token especially shows a market capitalization of $1,696,752,441.73 and is presently having a volume flow of 19,013,008 BSV on the lookout. In the very beyond 24 hours, the cost of the token has weighted around $89.20, which is genuinely critical. The specialists fundamentally have shifted suppositions with respect to the BSV cost expectation for the future, or so they truly thought. In light of the BSV cost forecast, a kind of long-haul increment is normal, which basically is very huge. The cost visualization during the current year is around $12.66, as indicated by the Bitcoin SV cost expectation assessed by lengthy figure. The bullish convention could go on as long as possible. BSV USD ought to wind up somewhat higher, truly say by 2022, $82.10, best case scenario, which is very huge. According to the Bitcoin SV forecast from Computerized Coin Value, the coin can generally really ultimately depend on $125.31 in 1 year's time. A 2x reasonably almost from the sort of current cost of Bitcoin SV, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. BSV, going by what it essentially was previously. BSV USD sort of sounds profoundly bullish as it generally has shown a solid consistency, which is very critical. By December 2022 end, the cost of Bitcoin SV ought to handily swing around $88.09 in an especially significant manner. Since December 2021, BSV coin truly was confronting remedy, in spite of the fact that there sort of was a slight recuperation from February 2022, yet from that point forward, the coin has enrolled in unpredictable development since spring. Presently, the cost of Bitcoin SV certainly is exchanging over the multi-day MAMA, which generally is a decent sign, yet the value sort of is as yet exchanging under multi-day MAMA. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2022 in a quite huge manner, in view of one-year verifiable information and expectations. There are even cost conjectures that the coin may fundamentally think of its blockchain stage progressing itself from Ethereum base getting enrolled on the planet's significant digital currency trades toward the finish of 2022, taking its cost to $125.31 in a significant manner. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2023. A year's end 2023 could offer a buy to all quite negative and cynical cost patterns for the universe of digital currency, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments loaded with positive thinking. The treasured resource would really ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $125 to $155. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2024 in an unpretentious manner. In the realm of digital forms of money like BSV, there could sort of be an estimate of marvels, and there could be sorcery in the present moment as well. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the extremely present moment. It wouldn't commonly be a distortion that this estimated digital money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $156.27 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2025, or so they basically thought. With government-issued types of money unfit to generally support themselves following the pandemic, this could in a real sense come as a relief for all BSV financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and desires to execute in Bitcoin SV. With a touch of persistence and keeping the sort of expectations high in the essentially long haul, financial backers can generally expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of BSV would develop dramatically. By when Bitcoin SV may generally be a carefully prepared player. Really look at here are in every practical sense other long-haul digital money expectations. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2026, which in a real sense is very critical. The BSV cost gauge has really somersaulted in the very last year, absolutely changing the pattern from the start towards the year's end. The coin might fail quickly, particularly for coalitions in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital money cost fixed at $176.75. SBSV Crypto, an essentially wise venture, which is very huge. Bitcoin SV can, all things considered, be a productive venture choice. The cost generally rises to $89.73 at present. Yet financial backers should take care of any outstanding concerns prior to gathering the exchange's monetary prizes. The cost expectation for Bitcoin SV is that it would get $141.11 over the for the most part 1 year from now in an unpretentious manner.